this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making eggless chocolate pancakes. These pancakes have a really decadent flavor of chocolate and they are a perfect recipe for breakfast. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that is melted, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some chocolate chips which are optional. You will take a medium-sized bowl and we will add in the all-purpose flour, the powdered sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and the baking soda. You will mix these together. To the milk, you will add in the melted butter and the vanilla extract. You will mix those into the milk. You will add the milk mixture in 2 parts. So you can add in half of it to the dry ingredient mixture. You will mix those together. And you will add in the rest of the milk mixture. You will mix that in. You can fold in some chocolate chips if you would like. If the pancake batter is too thick, you can add in some milk. Once the pancake batter is ready, you will take a medium pan on medium heat and you can spray some butter or oil on it. You will spread that over the pan. You can pour some of the pancake batter onto the heated pan. You will let the bottom side of this cook until you see bubbles on the top. Once you start seeing bubbles on the top, you can flip the pancake over and you can let the other side cook. You can repeat the same steps for the rest of the pancakes. Once your pancakes are ready, you can stack them up and then you can start decorating them. This part is totally optional. So the way I am decorating them is I will create a swirl of whipped cream. Then I'll add on some chocolate chips. And you can pour on some chocolate syrup. If you would like, you can even decorate your pancakes with fruits. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.